A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually do local AI image generation on your iPhone. That means you don't need any internet access and it's completely private and nothing gets sent to any cloud. So currently you can do text to image and you can also do image to image generations. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself, which models to use, which presets or styles to use. Then we're going to go over different settings because every model has its own settings. And I'm also going to show you how image to image works, and it's honestly amazing. So this will be a very quick guide and my goal is to get you started in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so the app is called PhoneDiffusion and the app itself is actually pretty light, only around 20 megabytes. And you can download all of the models after installing the app. Now I'm going to very quickly show you what you can do inside of it and what are the different settings and presets. So as you can see on the left, we have 6 different models. We have 3 Stable Diffusion 1.5 models and we have 3 SDXL models. One of them being Vega RT, which is an experimental model and it's only about 1.3 gigabytes big. So on the right, we then have different styles and you can pick from cinematic, editorial photo, product render, interior, and so on. Then we have the image to image tab. So that's for actually generating an image from the existing image and editing it. And then we also have 4 different settings. So you can adjust steps, you can adjust CFG, you can adjust batch size, and you can also toggle on or off 18 plus content. Then on the bottom we also have gallery, and if you press you can actually select or deselect and bulk share or delete images. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try a workflow and we're going to use a Stable Diffusion 1.5 model. And then we're going to generate an image and use image to edit. So first let's try and maybe let's pick one of the images here. And as you can see, we also have a prompt here and we can tap on it and it's going to copy the prompt. And right here we paste the prompt and then you can use the prompt enhancer button, which actually restructures and enhances the prompt. So if you're very lazy like me and a lot of times you just write things like a red car or a charming little cottage, then it's actually going to flesh out the whole prompt and it's going to make it a lot more detailed. Right, so there we go, that's the prompt we pasted. The default settings are okay and we can then tap generate. Now the first time you download PhoneDiffusion, it's actually going to take about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depends on your iPhone, to actually load the model into your memory. And this only happens for the first time. Every next generation it's going to be dramatically faster. So let's wait about 30 seconds and there we go. All right, and it's actually, oh, okay, so we had batch 3, that means it's going to generate 3 images at once, and there we go. So these are the images. We can actually put batch to 1, and now let's just try generating 1 image. So realistic vision is the model. And there we go. It took 3 seconds to generate an image. And now, because I don't really like the composition of this photo, we can actually click on Add Image tab and we can choose from photos or we can choose from previous generations. So let's select the previous generation and let's write add a nice sunrise to the back of the house. And here we're going to increase the strength and let's put it at about 60% and let's click generate. So also the first time it's actually going to download the image to image feature as well. And as you can see, it didn't really work properly. So we have to increase the strength here. Let's try with 75%. All right. And okay, that was maybe a bit too much. So you have to play around and I think I'm getting closer now. So it's a lot of manual process. As you can see, we're now at 4 steps, CFG 1.5, and edit is set at 70%. And we're slowly getting closer to what we want to do. So it's actually adding the sunset, but there's also other things in the picture. And yeah, that's how image to image works. And that's pretty much it. So you can do all of this totally without internet. We did have Wi-Fi turned on, but that was because I was downloading the models before. And just to show you the proof, so I just turned on airplane mode, and we can tap on generate, and it's going to basically work the same. So image to image, and then we can X the image here, and it's actually going to deselect the image to image feature. And now we can, let's say, step 6, we're using realistic vision again, and tap on generate. It's going to generate an image completely without any internet access. So that's pretty much it, a very quick tutorial for you today. I think you should try it. I'm going to leave the link below. It's called PhoneDiffusion, and you can get it for iPhone on the App Store. See you soon.